What's going on YouTube? Sharpie X back with another video. Today we got the choreographed version of Howling. The visuals alone was already crazy when I first watched the music video. So much going on. But now we're actually going to get the full-on choreograph of like a dance practice of Howling. It's gonna be a little less of visuals, more of their moves. So I'm excited. I'm not even gonna hold you guys no further longer. We're gonna let the video play out. Even though I want to point out stuff, I'm not going to. We're gonna let it play out and we're gonna enjoy it together and we're gonna vibe out. Alright, let's get it. Oh my god. Ooh, this is fire.
First we rockin', that's how we
roll.
Block is hot cause expect that boom.
Yo.
Down with no sticks and stones.
Harvey.
Out of my pack just grow. Opposition, my prey, my foes. Game of hunger, I'll bring that smoke. You want no smoke. Days out, attack on three, it's a man out. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many cap and I be losing head count.
Coco, come in.
I like to cook so I humble my dinner. My efforts, I don't make it bigger. If I do whoop then it must be a thriller. Woke up and blessed.
Ooh, that's fire.
But they can't stop her, dangerous. So don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if it is the sound. Cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', rowlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now?
Let's get it.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like that. Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Cut the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back. You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang cause we back to beast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen and hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand hours. Now to feel surrounded. I move this hours. Group like a group of wilders. No choice but to choose the
They kill it, boy. That alone.
That's how we howlin', rowlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now?
Ooh.
Welcome to the world where the strongest won't survive. Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark.
This is a performance.
That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now?
I love it. I love it. I love every bit of it. Maybe is that why they have the because it looked like the moon. That's why they have a planet. That's why they have a planet right there, is because they're in their own world. I'm pretty sure y'all got a reference for me. Listen, them girls coming in there. Boy, Harvey got a very distinct voice. Harvey and Coco, them two right there, when it comes to voices, I can point them out tit for tat. Sometimes Jurin and Maya can go, I can still tell. Cause like I've listened to the song multiple times. And sometimes I still get lost. But I know Maya's voice now. Compared to Jurin's most of the time. But Coco and Harvey's have the Coco and Harvey's voice are the most distinct voices I've ever heard. Like you can, like Coco's is very, it's deeper, and Harvey's is a little more raspier, and it stands out in a way that it's like, yeah, it's her voice. That's the best way I can put it. And then when it comes to the singing, you can hear like those three. You could tell who the three are, like Chisa, Juria, and Hinata. Chisa's voice, she has such a vocal range when she sings. And I also can see why some people's favorite can be Juria too, because I can tell that she, when it comes to riding a beat, she can ride it. And then Hinata comes in with the back end to finish it off. Like everything works together with this group. That's why they're different. And on top of that, the performances, the costumes. This is like the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders of group dance of their world. Everybody knows them. They're distinct. They are their own thing. You can't top it. You can hopefully make a little subset version, but you're not going to get that. XG is XG. And that's all I can say. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell when I post more videos, and also the Patreon is live. So, without further ado, I will see you guys later. Peace.